Hello guys, welcome to Wave. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how a new user is provisioned on Wave. I will take you through an admin portal where we can manage the new users. This interface is typically used by sales back office staff or some company admin who is responsible for provisioning new user accounts. So to go on the admin portal, you have to type in admin at the end of Wave URL, and it takes you to this page where it asks you for your admin credentials. Now, as we said, that this could be a designated person from sales back office staff, or it could be even a company admin who could have these credentials, admin credentials. So I'll log in with my admin credentials. So once I log in, I can see all the accounts, all the different accounts of different companies here in this list. And if I click on one of the accounts, let's say, I can see the details of that account. So I can see the name of the person whose name this account is registered in, his email address, the account manager's name, account manager's email address. I can see different product types. We'll come to that later. I can see if the status of the account, if it's active, inactive. I can see the company names, the contact number of the company, and the customer's phone number. There's some other things which I'll explain later. So if you go back on the top, you'll see this list gives you the whole picture. Like it gives you the list of all the companies that are registered here. So you can see what sort of product they have bought. So some companies have IVR product against them, and other companies have business account contact center. In order to demonstrate how this whole thing works, I will create a new account. I will create a new account here. So to create a new account, you simply come down here, you click on this add new user button. Once you click the add new user button, you can start filling in the information. So I'll just start filling this information in, the required information. I'll give it an email address, account manager's name. I'll skip the account manager's email address for now. Then I will come on here. I choose Enterprise Comprehensive. So we have different product types here. We have Standard Pro Lite, which is an IVR, and we have different flavors of our business contact center. So for now, for this tutorial, I'll just choose this Enterprise Comprehensive product. When we create a new user, this initial status is marked as active. Let's keep it like that. Company name, I can say Wave. Contact number, I can just give any phone number. Customer phone number, I should give my phone number. Tenant, let's keep it the same, and business number. So now I can these are all the numbers that can be allocated to a new account. So let's allocate this number. So now this this number will be associated to my account. Any call now coming on this number will come on the UA server on this service. The user can then configure how he wants to deal with this incoming call. Also, if you have a BCC account, you can dial out from Wave. When you dial out to someone, this will be the business number shown. This will be your caller ID. I'll now go ahead and add a list of forwarded numbers. So you can add the numbers on which the incoming calls can be forwarded to. So I'll just add a few numbers here. So let's add this number now. I'll add another number. So now when so now we will be able to forward our calls on these two numbers. Let's add extensions now. So let's add the extensions now for the mobile clients. So let's add, let's say, one extension with my name. Hold 11. Let's add another extension. So we've added the two extensions now. Now let's hit the save button. So once we hit the save button, the user, the account has been created on UWave system. So after we have created the user account and specified the numbers on which the incoming call can be forwarded, and we have specified the extensions in this list here, I can go ahead and notify the user of his password, send him a welcome email, and perhaps give him a link where he could go and change his password. So clicking on notify user password, an email has been sent to the user. Now if I go into my inbox, I should see a new email from UWave. So yeah, I can see a new email has arrived in my inbox, which is asking me to reset my password. So I click on that, click on link to reset password, and I can come here and change my password. So I'll change my password. So the password has been changed successfully. Now basically the user can go on the UWave website and log in with his new credentials. So now using the credentials, the user can now log in into the service. So I'll enter my credentials here and hit login. It takes me to the UWave service where I can configure how the incoming calls will be dealt with. I'll come back to this later, but let's go to the admin portal, back to the admin portal, and I will show you how to provision the mobile phone extensions. So now to set up the two mobile phone extensions that I've created here, I'll come back in the portal, back in the admin portal, go on to my account, and I can just hit notify extension URL. When I click on this button, the user will receive an email in which he will be given QR codes for the respective extensions that he has created here, and you can provision your extension by downloading a Zoiper client on your phone and scanning your respective QR code. So let's go back in my inbox and see if the email has arrived or not. So as you can see here, a new email has arrived from UWave, which says notify user extensions. Now if I go in here, there are two URLs. There are two URLs given here, which are essentially the QR code for extension 11 and extension 22. I can click here, and it shows a QR code. Now in order to provision your phone, you should download the Zoiper app on the Play Store or on Google Play Store or App Store on iOS, and download Zoiper client and scan the QR code, and you can get going. So now using the mobile phone client, you can receive the calls. You can configure your system to receive calls on this on your Zoiper app, and you can dial out from your Zoiper app as well.